1988 Monte Carlo SS with T-tops. She got the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Paint is in good condition. This was the last year for the rear-wheel drive G-body. T-top channel's nice and clean. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. The lower passenger door has surface, but she's solid. Deck lid in good shape. She still has the factory RPO code sticker. Trunk nice and clean. And she does come with an extra set of T-top weather strips. Has power windows, power locks, bucket seats, console. She has some minor stains here and there, but overall great shape. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat. Headliner. Package tray. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, AC, power steering, cruise control. Let's start her up. All the contact information in the description below. We have financing available. Y'all have a good one.